This is Sanjay Batra, the co-founder and CEO of WeThrivv. It's a pleasure to share with you a little bit about our company. My wife and I started this company 4 years ago with a very simple mission, and that was to create the best products in category in skincare and for thinning hair. We worked as hard as we can. We poured our hearts into this business, and we've had success. We have thousands of customers all around the world using Revive for hair and Mascade for skin. And we reached a very interesting inflection point in our company, and we're reaching out to you to see if you'd like to join us on our journey, to invest in WeThrivv and our products to help us grow and scale. We'll use the money like it's our own. This is a family-founded company. We treat every dollar like it's our own because it literally is. We'll use the money for inventory, for marketing and product development, and I hope you'll consider joining us on this journey. Look, when we looked at various ways to raise capital, we liked the Reg CF model, and we loved the people at PickMe. So it's a pleasure to work with you, share our vision, share our concept, and I hope that you'll sincerely take a consideration to join us on our journey at WeThrivv, because together we thrive. Thank you.